Oof, there we go. That's warm putting them on. It's about 27 degrees now. Back end of the day, it's after 6 o'clock-ish. And I'm off to Squires just to get out of the house. I've been stood in these clothes for about 5 minutes, I'm already boiling. Like I said, we're off to Squires. It's mecca for bikers around here. Really popular meeting spot. It might even be really busy when we get there. Oh, I brought my wallet. Yes, might be really busy when I get there. Or it might be empty. Who knows? But looking at the weather, I think we should see a few bikes. We'll see what's about. The other day when I went out on the bike and took my drone and lost it, collected all my footage together. I only had the one battery, I brought the rest of them tonight, but actually I had a good bit of talking. Managed to make a 20 odd minute video out of it, and I had plenty of footage to make more. Who knew I could talk so much? I have compiled a video just of the strides, just using the 360. Put it together. I'm not so sure if it's any good or if anybody wants to watch it. I might stick it up, I might not. I'm stuck behind these guys at the minute. Can we get past them? Oh, I think so. There we go. It's one of the reasons why we ride a bike. Sit behind these guys, breathing in all the fumes. No, thank you. Go again. There we go. I don't know whether to do that in first or second. I'll go first. It's easier in first, isn't it? There we go. Get around that. 40 miles an hour. Trying something new with this the GoPro. Yesterday I had an ND filter on, a ND16 filter, and it were on super wide, so I've got it on narrower view, gives me 4K 60, so hopefully should look a little bit better, and hopefully I don't have that green tint which I had on my raw videos yesterday, which was really annoying to get rid of. Got an email back from DJI as well. 159 quid for a new drone. That's the flyaway cost. If I'd have just broke it and sent it in, it would have cost me 39 quid. Kind of wish I could have gone back and got it, but there's just no chance of getting up that hill. Do you know, if I was in car, it'd annoy me these corners, but being on the bike, it's absolutely brilliant. I need to master my cornering though, I'm not particularly great at it. Oh, there we go, straight out. Oh, he's going my way, isn't he? Oh, no! No overtaking now, bro. Strictly 40. Quite boring for everybody. To do with him getting called off. See me visor up a little bit. So that's another added extra cost. I'm going to have to try and get hold of one of those. Oh, you're going to be in trouble. Oh, did he not see him? No way, he didn't see that. Fucking hell. Is he going to do out? He's not going to do anything, you jammy bastard. You lucky sod. What if I try it? Will they get me? Probably best not there. Or is he going to go for him now, is he? Oh, is he going? He's going, is he going? 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 Go on, lad. Go on. I think he's going. No, best mate. Yum, 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 yum. He's going for him. Oh, yes. Oh, now, did you lose him? Is he going right way, bro? The speed cameras down this road. It is a 50, you can see. And, they look pretty knackered, these speed cameras. Not sure if they actually even work. Not going to risk it though. Don't need points. Can't tell. Another one over here. One of the things about riding a bike, you get to smell it all. There's no hiding from it. Keep going, bro. Be a short few seconds on the A1 here, and then we're off again. Go. Coming up to it now, just this little right turn. Oh yeah, there's a good few people here by the looks of it. Oh no. Is that my old car, that? Shit bit of road there. There we go. So yeah, that's Squires. It's not as busy as it normally is. It's a bit muggy though. I think there's thunderstorm due anytime soon. Still, nice to get out, get the cobwebs off. Might have had some ice cream as well now. Thank you.